preparation starts Wednesday, tough game against Tyson, but an opportunity, I suppose, in a friendly just for everybody to get used to each other again and the way the manager wants you to play.
Yeah, of course. Friendlies are very important for working on things and just getting the lads together, as you say. And it's been a while since the last one, so as I say, it's good to meet up and see all the lads again and get some good training in and look forward to the game Wednesday. People say about the friendlies not being that important and players dropping out and stuff, but we don't see it that way. It's another game to improve as a team really and learn more things, and for the manager to get across a few more of his points that he wants us to do. So yeah, we're looking forward to the next couple of days, and hopefully, as I say, we can put in a good performance Wednesday. And each kind of win gives you confidence, whether it's a friendly, whether it's a qualifier. So we want to win every game, and as I said, that breeds confidence. So we're looking forward to the game Wednesday. Hopefully we can get a good result.
Just finally, you're at the Cardiff City Stadium, because you played so many games for Cardiff City in Park. You're back at the Cardiff City Stadium. You'll be back there before the end of the season again with Crystal Palace in what will be, I suppose, a huge game for you and Palace and Cardiff. It's such a dogfight down there.
Yeah, it's been a tough season, to be fair. So, we've still got 10, 11 games left, so it's really tight down there. All the way to halfway is a couple of points separating. It changes every week, the league, with 1 win, 2 wins, a couple of losses, you're back down. So I think it's going to go right to the end of the season. There's going to be a lot of big games to be involved in. Hopefully I can play a part in those games, as you say. Going back to Cardiff, that'll be a really interesting game. It'd be nice if we could both kind of stay in the league by the last day. That'd be great for me personally. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the end of the season now. As I say, there's a lot of big games coming up. Hopefully we can do well, stay in the league. And as I said, if Cardiff could achieve that as well, it'd be a great end to the season for myself.